What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Sliding on Twoz video. Hey, if you've been here before, you know who I am. But for all the new subscribers, I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm your boy Clutch C. And hey, man, we just a motorcycle channel that just like to get on our tools and just ride with friends and have fun. And hey, man, I just want to thank all my subscribers, man, for hitting that like button and sharing all of your comments. You are appreciated. And I just want to thank all my subscribers for sliding with me every time I put out a new video, and thank you for watching my videos. Today is New Year's Eve. Hey man, this is the last chance to ride our bikes for 2024 before the 2025 year start. And hey, I just wanted to dedicate this video to the guys who can't ride in the winter season, because here in Texas, specifically Houston, H-Town, we can ride year round. So this ride is dedicated to you. Hey man, make sure you keep tools on the ground and make sure you ride your way. Hey, come on, slide with me. All right, guys, we're gonna get this last ride of 2024 in, New Year's Eve. Come on, slide with us. We're gonna ride down to one of our little favorite areas we call the curves, down at the park. We may even get to see some of the other guys or bikers that's normally there. So come on, slide with us, man. And we sliding, baby. You know, I have no problem riding alone, man, but you know, sometimes you just want to ride alone and gather your thoughts and just enjoy a good ride. But me and these two guys, Triple T and Hen, you know, we always go ride on a Sunday afternoon or in the evening somewhere, you know, just to hang out, you know, go ride and get a burger somewhere, you know. So we just gonna hit a few of these curves, man, and a couple other guys are supposed to be coming, so let's see what happens. Ride in 2024. So we leaving this spot, man, and we're gonna head on down the road. You know, I'm always one to advocate safety, but every now and then, man, you want to have some fun. I mean, hey, that's why we got the bike. You know, as long as you safe, you know, nothing wrong with a little fun. Sometimes you just want to twist that throttle, man. You know, out of all the three riders, I'm the youngest at 62 years old. But we still sliding, baby. All right, now we're gonna complete our circle. We just did a half circle down the back road. Now we're gonna go a different way before we get back to the house. Hey man, if any of you content creators out there that's riding and doing vlogs, if you ever come to Houston, Texas or H-Town, hey, look me up, man. I'll take you on some of the back roads we have. You know, a lot of it is farm roads, but pretty cool, nice curves. You know, not a lot of traffic, but you can just slide. So I want to wish all of you guys a happy new year and a prosperous 2025. So we're going to turn off and take a pit stop so Triple T can play in the grass. Just finished. Yeah, Mike is a real biker, man. I always ride behind him, man, because he's always going to do something to have fun. Just keep your eyes on Mike. Man, look like it's gonna rain, so we gonna get back on in. So you know what to do. Always keep tools on the ground and make sure you ride your way, not somebody else's way. Later.